Morning students, up to 25 homonyms we have done. 26 allowed. 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 Allowed means permitted. Pets are not allowed in this motel. ALOUD. Allowed means very loud noise. The teacher asked me to read the story aloud. So both of these words are having same sounds, but both of them are having different meaning. 27 BARE. Beer. BEAR. Beer. BARE. Beer means uncovered, naked. His bare arms quickly became sunburned. BEAR. Beer means support, endure. I can't bear to go another hour without water. 28 BOARD. Bored. 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 Both of them are having different meaning. BOARD. Bored means we need to replace the board under the window. Board means passenger will be asked to board the plane in 30 minutes. Board means BOARD. Board means a person is boarding a plane. Means he goes and sits into the plane. BORD. Bored means tired of something. We many times say we are bored in this entire day as we were having no activities to do. I grew bored during the mayor's long speech. You can make your own sentences, but first you have to understand the meaning of these homonyms. 29 brake. BRAKE. Brake means a device for slowing down a vehicle. Example, in our motorcycle we are having brake. In our car we are having brake. My car needs new brakes. That is a sentence you can make to run. Another sentence is to run or use a brake. Be sure to brake before you run into the garage. BREAK. Break means to smash or divide into parts. Right? Please don't break my new dishes. Break means to divide into different parts. 3030 homonyms is capital. CAPITAL. Capital means the city where the government is located. Example, Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. New Delhi is a capital of India. Same way Paris is the capital of France. Right? Another words having the same sound is CAPITOL. Capital. The building in Washington DC in which Congress meets. The reporters waited at the Capitol to see the senator. So another capital means it is an office building in America, Washington DC. 31 homonym is cent. CENT, cent means a penny. That old sock isn't worth a cent. Penny means money, cent means it is a currency which is used in many foreign countries. SCENT, scent means a distinctive smell. I love the scent of roses. I love the scent of perfume. SENT, sent means to cause, to go. He sent his payment into the mail. 32 homonym is close. CLOSE, close means to shut. Please close the window before it rains. CLOTHES, clothes means garments to wear. She bought new clothes when she lost weight. She brought new clothes when the marriage season started. 33 homonyms is COARSE, coarse, means rough, crude or harsh. His coarse manners were very irritating. Right? Coarse means it is a rough behavior, what a person does. COURSE, course means a path or route to be taken. Now that you have lost your job, what is the first course of action to be taken? A path or a route to be taken. 34 homonym is die. DIE, die means to pass away. The animal will die without proper nourishment. Many peoples have died in this corona pandemic. DYE, dye means coloring. We use 4 kinds of dye to color our Easter eggs. We use 3 kinds of dye to color our clothes. 35 homonym is FAIR, fair, and FARE, fair. FAIR, fair means just, proper, under the rules, or ample. The judge made a fair decision. Fair decision means it is a good decision. Carnival or exhibition. She won a blue ribbon at the country fair. Right? FARE, fair means money paid to ride in a bus, taxi or other vehicle. He paid his fare when he got onto the bus. To get by, perform. She fared well on the job interview. So FAIR, fair means it is a place where people will take a decision. 36 homonym is feat. FEAT, feat means accomplishment. Composing an entire symphony is a remarkable feat. FEAT, feat means her feet were sore because her shoes were too tight. Right? So both of them are having different meanings. You can make sentence out of this meaning. 37 homonym is flew. FLEW, flew means it is a past tense of fly. The bird flew past my window. FLU, flu means it is a kind of a fever. Example, bird flu. Example, a cold flu. Sam missed 3 days of work because he had the flu. FLUE, flu means passage for smoke in a chimney. The chimney flue needs to be cleaned regularly. 38 homonym is heard. Heard means past tense of hear. The little girl heard the sound of her mother's voice. HERD, herd, means large group of animals. The cattle herd roamed freely looking for grass to eat. Right? 39 homonym is hear. HEAR, hear, means to perceive sounds, to listen to the sound. I love to hear clarinet music. I love to hear soft music. HERE, here, means in this place. Put the groceries here on the table. Right? 40 homonym is heal. HEAL, heal means to make healthy. Right? Extra rest and fluids will help to heal your sickness. I was having fever, but after eating medicine, I have healed myself. HEAL, heel means the back part of the foot. Place your heel firmly into the boot. He will. If you are ever late to his class, he will make you work extra hard. 41. HOLE, hole, an opening or hollow place. The squirrel ran through the hole in the fence. HOLE, hole, means it is a hollow place. WHOLE, hole, means the entire amount. He ate the whole pizza by himself. 42. Idle, doing nothing. How can you remain idle when there is so much work to do? To pass time doing nothing. She idled along the street. IDOL, idol, means an image to be worshipped or a person who is greatly admired. The rock singer became the newest teen idol. Example, Indian Idol. Right? Mukesh Ambani is my idol. 43. ITS, its, pronoun, possessive form of its. The dog lost its bone. Right? IT, an apostrophe S. It is or it has. It's time for the play to begin. 44. Loan, LOA, and loan means money lended. The car loan was for $5,000. To lend something, can you please loan me enough money for lunch? I have taken loan from Bank of Baroda. Any loan means single, only. The truck driver was the loan customer at the all night dinner. 45. MAIL, mail, means item sent in the postal system. I received 6 letters today in the mail. To send something by mail or email. She will mail her car payment today. MALE, male, means a boy or man. There were 10 male passengers on the train. Related to a man or boy. I heard a male voice on the telephone. 46. Hononyms. Main. M-A-I-N. Main means most important. Many students ask main questions in the exam. Right? The speaker's main point was that we can all fight poverty. Any mane means long hair on the neck of an animal. The little girl hung onto the horseman when it started galloping. 47. MEAT. Meat. Meat means it is about non-veg food, edible flesh from an animal. We eat meat nearly every night for dinner. Right? And MEAT meet એટલે sports competition. Athletes from the 10 schools will compete at the track meet. 48. PAIL. Pail. Pail means bucket. That pail holds 5 gallons of paint. PALE. Pale means lacking color. The sick child's face was very pale. Right? When we have fever, our face will become very pale. 49. PAIN. Pain means physical distress. Pain. We are feeling painful. So her back pain prevented her from bending over. And PANE. Pain means section of a window. The window pane was covered with frost. 50. Past. Past tense of pass. The teenager finally passed his driving test. PAST. Past means later or in a time gone by. Her financial worries are now all in the past. 51. Patience. The ability to wait. The kindergarten teacher's patience is remarkable. Patience. It's a plural. People under the care of a doctor. 5 patients were waiting to see the doctor. 52. It is a peace. Peace means absence of war. Peace matlab shanti. The long time peace between two countries was broken by a single bullet. India and Pakistan, the two countries are not having peaceful agreements. PIECE. Peace means a portion of something. He asked for just one piece of peach pie. 53. Plain. Plain means clear. PLAIN. Plain means clear. It was plain to everyone in the crowd that the singer had talent. Right? It was a plain to everyone who have attended the lecture. PLANE. Plain means a carpenter's tool, an airborne vehicle, or a flat surface. The wood carver used his plane to make the table top very smooth. 54. Presence. The state of existing in a place. Her presence was requested at the party. Presents. Gifts. Children love to open presents on their birthdays. Presents. I have received present on my birthday. I have received present on my marriage. Then principal. 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 Principal means most important leader of a school. Right? The principal wrote a new homework policy. And a second principle જે છે, it means basic truth or law. Right? I have certain principles in my life. Principles. 56. Rain. Rain means it is precipitation, means the rain poured down all day. Varsad. Drizzle, shower. The weatherman says it will rain tomorrow. And REIGN rain means ke time in power. The king's reign was very brief. And to rule. How long will the queen reign? REIN rein means a strap to control an animal. Pull on the reins when you want the horse to stop. So both three types of rein are there. They are having different meaning. 57 one is raise. RAISE. Raise means to build up. Let's raise the sign a bit higher so it can be read more easily. RAZD, raise means to tear down. The city plans to raise the vacant building. 58. Right means correct. The student gave the right answer to the maths question. WRITE, right means to make letters. Please write your name at the top of the page. 59. Homonymous. ROAD, road. Driving suffers. She had difficulty keeping her car on the slippery road. RODE, road means past tense of ride. We rode the bus for 30 minutes to get across town. 60. Sail. SAIL, sail means travel in a boat. We plan to sail across the bay. Sail मतलब ट्रैवल કરવું. SALE, સેલ મીન્સ કે કોઈ બી કપડાની સેલ્સ છે, કોઈ બી આઇટમ્સની સેલ્સ એટલે ડીલ કે ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન. The store had a special sale on blue jeans. 61 is scene. SCENE, scene means a place of a beautiful place. We say what a scene, right? A criminal sometimes return to the scene of the crime. Right? Scene, SEEN, scene means what? Past participle of see. I never seen so many flowers. 62 is soar. SOAR. Soar means fly. An eagle can soar higher than many other birds. Eagle એટલે એ બર્ડ છે, રાઈટ. બાઝ, સમડી એ બીજા બર્ડ્સ કરતાં વધારે ઊંચાઈ ઉપર ફ્લાય કરે છે. SORE, sore means painful. My sprained knee is very sore. 63. Synonym is sole, means only. My dad was the sole survivor of the plane crash. Bottom part of a foot or shoe. There is a hole in the sole of my old boot. SOUL, soul means the spiritual part or character of a person. Soul, Atma. Those old hymns always comfort my soul. Right? 64 homonymous stair. STAIR, stair means step, pagathiya. Bottom stair is broken, so please be careful when you go down. Right? STARE, stair means look intensely in one place. એક જગ્યા જોવું. I could not help but stare at the legless man. 65 homonymous stationary. It means unmoving. You should keep the fractured finger stationary for 1 week. અને બીજું સ્ટેશનરી છે એનું મતલબ છે રાઇટિંગ પેપર. The lawyer wrote the letter on her business stationery. 66 homonym છે stake. STAKE, stake means a thin pointed stick or post that is driven into the ground. Since we were missing a stake, We could not finish putting up the tent. Right? Steak એટલે thin pointed stick થાય. STAK steak means a piece of meat or fish. Right? He ordered a sirloin steak and baked potato. 67 છે STEAL steal નો મતલબ છે to take something without permission. એટલે steal નો મતલબ છે કે to take something without permission. Some children steal money from their mother's purses. STEEL steel એટલે a strong metal made of iron and carbon. Many buildings are constructed with steel frames. 68 છે tail. TAIL tail નો મતલબ છે the rear part of an animal's body. My dog wags its tail when he is happy. TALE tail નો મતલબ છે story. One popular fairy tale is about a giant, a beanstalk and a boy named Jack. 69 homonyms is there, THEIR, THERE અને THEY એપોસ્ટ્રોફી RE. આ ત્રણેય આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ સેન્ટેન્સમાં. THIR ધેરનો મતલબ છે બિલોંગ ટુ ધેમ. Their house is always clean and tidy. Right? THRE ધેરનો મતલબ છે at that place. ત્યાં please put the groceries over there. Right? અને they are નો મતલબ છે એપોસ્ટ્રોફી. They are going to Paris for vacation. Right? They are. 70 homonym is through. THREW. Through means past tense of throw. The kids threw the stones into the stream. THROUGH નો મતલબ છે movement from one side to or past the other side. Let's walk all the way through the dark tunnel together. 71 homonym છે toward. Right? We drove to the theater. અને TOO2 નો મતલબ છે also. Jimmy likes pizza too. Right? We say same to you. TWO નો મતલબ છે કે 1 પછી 2 આવે. Susan spun a 2 into the board game. અને 72 છે waist. WAIST. waist નો મતલબ છે middle of the body. The belt was too large for her small waist. Right? WASTE. waste નો મતલબ છે discarded material. Factories' waste products were dumped into the landfill. 73 homonym is weak. WEAK. weak એટલે જે strong નથી. The young boy was too weak to lift the box of books. અને WEEK week નો મતલબ છે 7 day period. The worker went on vacation for 1 week. Right? 74 homonym છે whose. એટલે who is or who has. Who has been drinking my soda. અને WHOAC whose નો મતલબ છે possessive form of who. Does anyone know who's caught in this one? And 75 last one is your possessive form of you. It's your turn to go first. પછી you are. YOU apostrophe RE નો મતલબ છે you are the person I want to hire. Right? So you can make 2-3 sentences out of this homonym meaning. સૌથી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે કે તેના વર્ડને સમજીને એના સેન્ટેન્સ તમે પોતે જ બનાવી શકો. રાઈટ? થેન્ક યુ.